All area roadways will be impacted. A winter storm warning means significant accumulations of snow are expected or occurring.
Okay, this is the craziest thing I've ever done. We planned to do a snow trip. You know, it's two of us that were gonna go, but you know, things happened, people weren't able to go. And then Mono called me because we were planning to either go to Lake Tahoe or Yosemite, but we were gonna decide in the morning. And he called me, he's like, yo bro, it's gonna be raining over there in both locations. So we were like, oh crap, what do we do? And I don't know who checked the weather for Utah because they have family in Utah. And so they were like, yo, it's gonna be snowing in Utah. And I was kidding. I was like, let's go. And then Hazel was like, let's go. And then Mono was like, let's go. We called Gami and he was like, I'm hella down, let's go. And so I was like, wait, or like, all of us were like, wait, is this for real happening? Are we planning this? And I packed a bag and now we're on our way to Utah.
Yeah, bro.
Nevada.
Nevada?
Yeah, we're in Reno. We're in Reno.
So we just made it to Nevada. We just made it to Nevada. It's actually not that cold. It felt kind of nice on my t-shirt. How long have we been on the road though?
4 hours.
We got about another 6 hours ahead of us. It's like almost 4 o'clock in the morning.
I'm tired.
Trip's fun though.
Too sleepy to talk right now.
We're gonna be talking about taking a chance and just doing things, just like honestly shooting your shot, no matter what it is.
I'm camera shot right now.
Cause you tired?
Make it, Chris.
Utah, baby. It's my first time. Hey, first time in Utah. Bro, I'm out here without a sweater. I'm just in a t-shirt. It's super cool.
All right, come on, let's go. Let's va a agarrar la tarde, bro. Come on.
Ow. Okay, so something that happened throughout the trip, we needed to change the oil, so we brought it to the dealership.
Can't get mad.
I didn't come on here to do freaking oil change.
Okay, do you want to die on the way back?
That is done with. That was boring, so I didn't vlog that. But Hazel, where are we going right now?
We're going to East High, and if you don't know where that is, it is High School Musical, the one and only.
We're going to the East High School, the one in High School Musical. You know what, Team Wildcats? We're going to that school. Why?
Gotta get.
Honestly, cause it's here.
Starting route to East High School. Head south on
Why am I
South
so
State.
excited? I didn't even like the movies that much.
Christian.
I would like the first one. The second one, the second one was alright, and then the third one, I'm like, y'all just stretching this. You're doing the same thing. Ah! Yes. Yes.
Oh my God! Zac Efron was here.
Hazel!
Zac Efron was here.
Hazel!
I'm hella fangirling right now. Just park.
If you watched Disney Channel when you were younger, you watched High School Musical. Even if it was just the first one, I watched all three because I had a thing with my brother where we used to watch every Disney Channel movie that came out. That kind of broke once I turned 18. But like, I was like, why not? We're here. I'm gonna do some montage. I got my camera right here. Mono has my brother's camera. Luis, thank you for letting me borrow the camera. We're gonna take some pictures. We're gonna do some montages, and I'm just excited to do that. And but Hazel, what just happened?
So, Emmanuel had to pee, and he peed in the car in a cup. He was taking it out. His wallet fell on the floor as he was dumping his piss out. So now his wallet is covered in his pee. Don't bring that in here!
I was asking if he's pretty high.
Oh.
Stop. Where are we going right now?
We're going to Park City.
So he has family in Utah. He's Gami's with his cousin right now. And what is Park City?
It's really historical. There's snow. There has to be snow. It's in the mountains.
Wait, hold up. Hold
I
up.
was actually going to tell you to time lapse it.
The theme throughout this whole thing, throughout everything we're doing today, is kind of like just being spontaneous. Like we really came out here with no plan.
Yeah.
Like they would call their family and be like, "Hey, we're headed over there right now," and they were like, "No, you're lying." Like it's the most last minute thing ever.
I still can't believe we're here.
I honestly, we keep mentioning how like last minute and how we can't really believe we're here. I don't know. It's just crazy. We just did this trip. I really don't know what else to say. Sorry, Luis. I caught it though. Don't worry. Be spontaneous.
Live your life while you can. Be young and free. No. Not to the extremes, but be adventurous. This is what did we call ourselves? Adventure time?
Adventure group? What was
No, adventure group. Ew.
And Ecclesiastes 11:9, it says, "Young people, enjoy your youth. Be happy while you are still young. Do what you want to do and follow your heart's desires. But remember that God is going to judge you for whatever you do." This is just saying, be young. Do spontaneous road trips. Have fun. But don't do anything that's good. Girl, I'm trying to talk. But it's just...
To merge onto I-80 toward Park City.
Sorry. But it's saying like, but don't do things that are gonna jeopardize you or like compromise your soul or your heart. Yeah, have fun, be young,
Be responsible.
but be responsible. Like, okay, when like we come out here, we're just visiting family. We're gonna go look at some sights and everything. We're not celebrating Christmas. We're not doing anything like that. That's for a different video. Me not celebrating Christmas, that's a different video. Go have fun, do spontaneous road trips, be with your best friends, be with your family. Do what makes you happy. Stay away from sinning, Make sense? Make sense?
Makes sense.
Make sense?
Time lapse.
Another.
You're gonna want this time lapse.
We're gonna do another.
You're gonna want this time lapse.
Okay, we're doing another montage.
This is Park City.
I don't know if this is like not known about me. Let's go over there. I don't know if this is known about me, but I live for the cold. I love the cold. I love winter. I love it more than I love summer. I wish summer break was a winter break, like as long as summer break was, I wish there was a winter break like that. And summer was just like a week off or 2 weeks off. I love this. This is so nice.
It smells so good.
It does smell so good.
My pregnancy nose is like tingling. My pregnancy sensations. No, my pregnancy, what is it called?
Senses?
Senses.
I'm calling my brother. He's sick, so sadly he couldn't come with us.
I don't know if he's gonna answer.
In California, this is...
Park City?
Utah? Yeah, man, keep up with the Instagram. Come on.
Jump in. I want to see.
Hazel, are you recording?
I'm recording already.
Hurry up. I got to go.
Wait, where to jump into? The bottom?
No, bro. Jump in from the top.
What do you mean for the top?
You have to go over the rail.
Oh, bro, I'm the sink.
Dude, I can't do it. I'm pregnant.
I can't jump over the rail. Like choncho. That's what I want to do from the bottom, because I can get up easier.
Okay, go. If I have to rescue you, that's gonna be fun.
Whoa! That's not that bad. No, just like...
Run.
Bro, I can barely move. I feel it in my shoes.
Hurry up, jump in.
Bro, this is like as deep as I'm. Oh, I'm gonna hit myself.
Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog.
It's cold!
Oh my god.
That's cold! I can't put my hands right now.
That's the aftermath.
Still make a snow angel, todo chulón.
And you jump into the rail. No, over the rail.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you really do.
It's cold. It's cold.
Babe, I can see your foot crack.
I can't feel my hands!
It's cold, baby. Ooh. Oh man, it hurts.
Put them under my armpits. Put them under my...
Oh my god.
So, I wanted to take these pictures, the ones you're seeing right now with Hazel. I wanted to like sprinkle snow on her. I didn't know how cold it would get after holding her for such a long time. I can't feel my hand. He can't feel.
I don't even want to know.
Yeah, you
They
don't
don't
wanna
even want to know.
What's up?
Okay, so after Park City, honestly, we fell asleep and had a family dinner.
Okay, hold on. Before anything, just wanted to say these guys, they flaked on me. They left
No,
me
that's not even what
abandoned.
happened.
They said
That's
they're
not
gonna
even what
go
happened.
to the dealership, then go back to my cousin's
No,
house.
we didn't say that.
And
We said we were going to
supposed
Park
meet
City.
up right there. Nope.
Got me. Stop trying to play the victim. You didn't want to go. Where'd you get the Dr. Pepper?
I got you a monster, so don't worry about
I
it.
know you're right. You're right, though.
Oh.
So after Park City, we just honestly, we fell asleep. We had some family dinner.
They took a
Just
big
some
nap,
family
too.
time. We took a big nap because we have a 12-hour drive ahead of us.
Ooh, the chap is so cheap. The gas is so cheap here.
Chap is so. The gas is hella cheap over here. Hazel. Hey.
It's cold. I have to breathe through my mouth.
Oh yeah, she's hella like congested right now.
Because somebody thought it was going to be a great photo opportunity to throw snow
You guys are throwing snow too? Without
on my
me?
head. Yes, got me, because you fake and you left us.
You went with Danny. You can't get mad as a.
Oh, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. That
Bro,
dinner.
but the fact
What?
that you've been eating.
Creo que me faltaban como unas 60 y algo millas de Wendover. Sí. No, ya decía. A ver, cheque. Ahorita va a checar, espérame. Ahorita va a checar qué dice.
This is so crazy. I've never experienced this. I don't even know if you can hear my audio, but the snow got really bad. Like, I fell asleep, but I was told that it was moments where you couldn't see anything like in front of you, and well, we had to turn back 40 miles. Basically, took 2 hours to navigate through. So we're gonna wait out the snow until the sun breaks out, and then hopefully we can go back through. I think we're gonna try a different route. I don't know exactly the things we're gonna do, but I'm just gonna sleep for now because I have to drive as well. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. What is going on?
We are heading back home. Take 2.
So what happened last night?
We almost died.
No. It's just, we couldn't see anything because there was a snowstorm. So we had to come back. It took us 2 hours. A 40-mile drive took us 2 hours to get here because of the snow.
How bad was it?
You couldn't see
I
anything.
heard you had a little breakdown.
You were crying?
It's the pregnancy hormones. Jeez. Gotta attack me like that?
I'm trying to find out what happened. Like, I'm trying to document the story, and you're like you're just like giving me like little details.
Look, Chris. It's the pregnancy hormones. If you were pregnant, you would understand.
I'm sorry.
I'm heck cold. You're hella warm. Everyone's hella warm. Well, it's take 2. It says we get there 8:17.
So hopefully everything goes good, and I don't know what to say. Just gotta let the roads open.
That's a nice truck.
Jesus, take the wheel. We're getting a car wash right now.
But we're home.
We're home. We're in our
like
city.
2 minutes away from where we live.
The good thing is we all live really close to each other. Just super nice.
We're not tired at all.
He starts his job tomorrow.
Yeah, I start my first day tomorrow, so.
New job.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out a way to close off this vlog, but I'm too tired to think about it. I just want to go home and shower.
I can't believe we did this.
Guys, we still can't believe we did it. We just came back from the trip. Be spontaneous. Just, if you have time for it and it's not going to hurt you or anyone else in any way, go do it. No regrets.
I'm tired.
Any last words?
Thank God we didn't die.
I look sick. I look like a hot mess.
Oh yeah, Hazel got sick.
Sorry.
What are you tired from?
Any
Watching
last
Netflix? Got me tired of watching Netflix.
Luis, thanks for letting me borrow your camera, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Hazel, no last words? Yeah.
That's hella fucking like, wait.
I love this camera so much. Hey guys, what's up? That was about 7 months ago. I took a little break from YouTube vlogging, the whole thing. I just needed to find my love for it again, but that's why I'm uploading this video. I'm back, I'm ready. New tripod, new toys, new gadgets. I'm excited, a lot of new content coming your way. Just a lot of new and exciting things for season 4 to finish off season 4, because it started, but it's gonna finish, and then we're gonna head off to season 5 for bigger, better things, and maybe finally get that podcast up and running. But I just want to say thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I know it's a long one, but I really appreciate it. Even if you skip through it and you're watching this, comment below that you finished the video, or just, I don't know, tell me how long you got afar. But if you know to do that, then you watch the whole video, so thank you for that again. But I just want to say good night moon, good night cow that jumps for the moon, and good night vlog.